Well, I just spotted this. And yeah, looks like everything's in it. Covers are missing, but hey, we're gonna give this a shot in the scrapyard find.
Oh, camera girl. I mean, everybody. Hey, how you doing? Hey, happy Thanksgiving Eve, everybody. Well, no, it's Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving, you're watching this. Well, today I'm downstairs because I have a cold. Can't hear it right now, but during the video, you'll hear me with that cold. Let me turn this down. Bucket's Garage, electronics today. Just today for now until... But we do have a snowstorm coming. They say a bad one. Thanksgiving Day. So I'll let you know how bad that's going to be.
All right, Buckets, what are you doing this so early this morning, making me get up?
It's 5:42. See on the dash cam, 5:42. We're headed out to Black Friday. I am not sleeping this year. We're going to Menards. I'm gonna buy myself some deals. Yeah, we'll see you at the store. Camera girl's out of the truck before me. We're here. We're here. Okay. And I'm not sleeping. I'm going into Menards. We're running in Black Friday specials. Black Friday. Yes. Here we are.
There he goes.
We gotta go this way.
You hit me, you're in trouble. Watch. You done? Buckets?
Yeah.
You were so fast in getting your coat on. Did you look and see your buttons?
Oh, I still got the tie down there.
Yeah, he didn't even button up his coat right.
What's the matter?
He was so excited. That's my world with Buckets.
Hey, I forgot to tell you, there's these little GoPros. We can use these up in Ohio. They're $13.
Look at him go.
$3 gloves.
Don't run anybody over.
We got wildfires. We'll get that for a Christmas present for Bear. What do you think?
Oh, I think he'll love it.
I think he'll love it.
Ooh.
I don't know why Dito likes these. Well, where's the Christmas tree ones? Oh, here they are. Dito likes these, so I'm going to get him a couple of these. My obsessed buddy wants a bunch of these, so I'm going to get him a bunch of these. So you better appreciate me.
Don't damage them.
Yeah.
Stop.
I don't like them. Nasty. Hang on, her. Oh, you're so cute. It's only $9. Look at that. Look at that Chevy truck. Chevy. Chevrolet. Chevy. It fits me. It's a hoodie. $10.
$9.99.
$10.
How many sweatshirts do you have?
I got plenty of sweatshirts, but not a Chevy sweatshirt. And they have it in 2X large. His buckets now. I feel like the guy from The Shining. Danny, oh Danny boy. Thank you for shopping Black Friday, and I am not sleeping this year. Today's video is going to be on this Cobra. If I remember correctly, it is a Cobra 29. Let's see. Hang on. I'm getting old.
Can't see, huh?
No, I can't see. It is a 29 LX Max. LX Max. As you've seen, I found it in a shopping cart at work in the scrap pile. Came in for scrap. And today we're going to find out what's wrong with this thing. Yep. So let's get into this video. Let's see what's wrong with this thing. See if we can repair it. Let's bring it back to life so some other truck driver can use it down the road. All right. There it is. Cobra LX Max. Well, we're going to see what's wrong with this thing. Other than all the covers are missing on it. Turn that radio down. Skip's coming in pretty good today. Radio faceplate is pretty scratched up over here. Probably a truck driver radio. We're going to find out and see if this even turns on, powers up, and what have you. So far with the little visual here, I don't see much wrong with it. And you got to forgive me, I actually have a sore throat. Yes. Yeah, so that's why we're doing an electronic video inside today. All right, let's hook it up here. As you can hear, that's 19. Channel 6 always comes in. So, I'm going to turn that back down, leave that off. Let's hook it up. Because we have sound. I'm going to switch the antenna here. I just hooked up power. So far, nothing. All right. There's that. Coax for the antenna. Since the speaker is not hooked up, of course, obviously their wires are like doing. And which one of these is the output for external speakers? Right there. All right. All right. All right, let's change camera angles here. Let's see what this thing does. Helps it go the right way, right? All right, let's find out. All right. It is already on channel 19. Someone else was messing with it. You know, I probably should hook up a microphone. I do have one of these radios, so I have the microphone. I see that's loose. Squelch is down. Volume is all the way up. RF gain. I don't see any receive signal either. No sound. Let's key it up. Testing audio 1 2. Well, okay, it keys up and it does almost 4 watts, but it's not transmitting any sound. So, and here it is on my spare radio. Dead key, but no sound. Looks like we may have a bad audio chip. Let's check it out. I'm kind of looking over the board here. I see something here. Rust or something? Well, I'm going to clean that off. That can't be good. Never short something out. Other than that, the rest of the board looks pretty good. Yep, there it is. Oof. It doesn't look like an audio chip, but that must be an audio chip. This stuff is newer to me. I've never really worked on too many of these newer radios. I'm going to be honest with you guys. So I'm going to be like you, but there's an obvious sign. There's your shine that something happened right there. It's blown. Too bad the piece ain't laying there because I can't get a number off it. Now I can look up this radio and probably the specs and see what this number is. More likely. But I think I'm going to look
at a parts radio that I do have.
I don't know if you guys remember this radio I did a while back. This was a Cobra 29. I know the display was out, but definitely a good audio chip. Well, let's get the blown one out. Somebody asked me once. They asked me, don't you have a solder sucker? I do. There it is. My solder sucker. But occasionally I like using solder ribbon. Ribbon works good sometimes. Sometimes the solder sucker that works good. Matter of fact, there's the ribbon. Or today, it's going to be the solder sucker. Now that I unscrew it, this should be fun. Yes, I'm using my power tools. See if this works. It did. Well, there she is in her old blown out glory. Well, let's try to get that wiped off and see if we can read it. Well, there ain't no luck in reading that one. It's pretty toasted. There's a couple numbers I think I could see at the beginning, which was like a T. Let's see, right there. Maybe a 5-0. The top number is a T. Close enough. Let's take a look at the other one. All right, now we're down to the parts radio. Yeah, go the right way. Get that off. All right, what number do we have? Okay, the information I did find wasn't much. As you can see, this is what I saw. Someone's drawing. See that? And this here starts off with a TDA. Hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom out. Let's see, TDA. And then this one here, and here is TDA. Well, I'll tell you, let's get this one out. Let me pull this one out and we'll put it side by side. Hang on. And there's your side by side comparison. They don't look exactly the same. But that's TDA 203L. And that one was TDA something, and it's burnt. Now that I got the chip mounted back in there, now let's proceed on soldering it back onto the board. You know, Camera Girl and I had a lot of fun Black Friday getting all that stuff and just going out. It was snowing pretty good, and it was fun. Roads were a little snowy and stuff, but a lot of fun. We also got another prize that we picked up. We'll show it in another video some other time. Let's put it this way. It was a really cold day for that one. Now, in order to get this tiny little component back soldered onto this board, you're going to need like stainless or plastic. This is not fun. This is really tedious. It's so small. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll get it. I have ever soldered. It just keeps on moving on me here. Can buckets do it? Come on, buckets, you can do it, man. You can do it. Ooh. Got that half. And there it is. There it is. Woo. Holy buckets. Yeah, buddy, we got it. All right, let's try it out. All right, let's hook that all back up. Make sure there's nothing on the board. Any solder goobers. Yeah, guys, we're supposed to be headed for a snowstorm. Starting Thursday morning. Yeah, Thursday morning. Thanksgiving. Hey, speaking of Thanksgiving, hey, Camera Girl and I want to wish everybody out there a great, happy Thanksgiving. We are very thankful for every one of you out there. Thank you so much for coming to Bucket's Garage. You guys are the best. Now, make sure this is off. Plug in the power. Ooh, I heard something out of the speaker. You know, these things like to click on for a second. All right, let's go switch the camera around here so you can see. Turn the slide off. Let's see if this thing works. All right, let's see if we get magic smoke. Let me get this out of the way. Antennas turned on. Woohoo! There we go. Yeah, holy buckets, it works. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. We have audio.
Too, man. He loved it. He liked my victory. He thought that was pretty awesome. But
Hello.
to see him again, I wish he'd come around. You had an awesome bike, right? Is that your house? You had an awesome bike, as I remember. Yeah, bud. Too.
That's what it was, bad audio chip. And it just so happened we had one in a parts radio. So I really couldn't find nothing online over this. We just kind of guessed at it, being another Cobra. Just one of these newer 29s. Kind of like this. This is just an upgrade model. This is an LX. I think the other one was just a 29. Oh yeah, check out Camera Girl's cat.
Say hi to everybody.
So, holy buckets. We brought it back to life. Holy buckets, guys. Look at that. And I even found some covers. These are actually old 29 Cobra 29s. LXRs or whatever are covers. It fitted perfectly. I'll get it to screw together and finish putting this thing back together. We brought it back to life just from parts radios. Because this stuff is... You saw me put that little tiny speck back in there. Holy buckets, man. That's tiny. But I did it. Anyway, brought another radio back to life. Thanks again, Doc. Doc, you're the best, man. You are the best. I love my signs. I love these things. He makes the most perfect signs for me. And Taro. You seen Taro's signs? Oh, they love their signs too. But anyway, guys, thanks again for coming to Bucket's Garage. At this point, we probably went through a snowstorm. Today, to be honest with you, today is only Tuesday for me. And I'm doing this video early because I'm getting sick. And I know I'm going to be worse. So I'm going to be dead on my feet probably for Thanksgiving. And the day I want to eat. And I'm going to be sick. See? But anyhow. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Say hi to Camera Girl because she's going to be taking care of me.
You're funny.
She won't be taking care of me. But anyways, you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And we'll talk to you guys soon. And thank you for coming to Bucket's Garage. You guys take care. Cobra 29XL! Brought back to life. Too bad it's on Halloween.